Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to disable your Twitch account safely and easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device here in India, and make sure that your Twitch app is updated to the latest version. This is important because some options may not be available if your app is outdated. Once you have updated the app, go ahead and open Twitch. Then, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to Account Settings. Scroll down a little and you will see the option to disable your account. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. And that's it! Your Twitch account will now be temporarily disabled. Keep in mind, disabling is different from deleting. It's a reversible action, so you can come back anytime you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.